Have you ever wondered why some words stick with us forever, while others fade away? Imagine this. You're going about your day, and then someone you care about calls you by a special name. Just one simple word, and suddenly your heart feels a little lighter, your smile a little brighter. That's the magic of nicknames. But here's the thing. Not all nicknames are created equal. Some are sweet, some are playful, and some hold a power so strong they can make someone feel cherished, seen, and loved on a whole new level. Today, we're not just talking about any nicknames. We're diving into 6 nicknames that girls secretly adore. These are the names that can transform an ordinary relationship into something unforgettable. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share a little secret about what makes these nicknames truly special and how to choose the perfect one that feels just right for her. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. One more. 1. Honey. When it comes to timeless nicknames, Honey stands out as one of the most endearing. It's simple, sweet, and carries a warmth that feels like a verbal hug every time you say it. What makes Honey so special is its versatility. It can be used in nearly every situation. Whether you're casually asking how her day was, sharing a playful moment, or even apologizing, this nickname has a way of softening the moment and making it feel personal. The magic of Honey lies in the emotions it evokes. It's a word that carries a sense of security and familiarity, almost as if you're telling her, "You're my safe space." Think about it. How does it feel when someone you care about greets you with, "Hey honey, how was your day?" Instantly the conversation feels warmer and more connected. Moreover, Honey has a certain timeless charm. It's been used for generations, yet it never loses its impact. This nickname is perfect for someone who means a lot to you, someone you want to make feel loved and valued in the simplest of ways. And because it's so natural and effortless, it never feels forced or overdone. So if you're looking for a nickname that conveys love, warmth, and security, Honey might just be the one. It's not just a word, it's a feeling, a way of showing her that she's cherished every single day. 2. Angel. There's something magical about calling someone Angel. This nickname isn't just romantic, it's deeply uplifting. When you call her Angel, you're acknowledging the light and positivity she brings into your life. It's as if you're telling her, "You make my world better just by being in it." The word angel carries a softness that feels almost otherworldly. It's perfect for someone who exudes kindness, warmth, and goodness. By using this nickname, you're not only celebrating her presence, but also recognizing the beautiful qualities that make her unique. Imagine telling her, "You're my angel." Those 3 simple words can have a profound impact, making her feel appreciated and seen for who she truly is. What's wonderful about this nickname is how it works across different contexts. Whether you're being playful, romantic, or deeply emotional, Angel always fits. It's a way of telling her that she's extraordinary, someone who brightens your life in ways that words alone can't describe. Using this nickname consistently can even become a comforting routine in your relationship. Every time you call her Angel, you're reinforcing the idea that she holds a special place in your heart. It's not just about the word, it's about the feeling it conveys. So if you see her as someone who brings light into your life, Angel is the perfect way to let her know. It's a nickname that's both heartfelt and timeless, a way to show her how much she truly means to you. 3. Snuggle bug. If your relationship is filled with laughter, playfulness, and those light-hearted moments you can't get enough of, Snuggle bug might just be the perfect nickname. This quirky and adorable term of endearment is all about embracing the fun side of love. Calling her Snuggle bug shows that you don't take yourselves too seriously and that you're comfortable being your true selves around each other. It's a nickname that brings a smile to her face and makes her feel cherished in a way that's both affectionate and unique. One of the best things about Snuggle bug is its exclusivity. It's not a nickname you'd hear every day, making it feel special and personal to your relationship. It's like having a secret little code that only the two of you share, a playful inside joke that reminds her of your bond. Picture this. You're cuddling on the couch, watching a movie, and you whisper, "Come here, my snuggle bug." Instantly, the moment becomes even more intimate and heartwarming. It's these little things that strengthen your connection and create memories that last a lifetime. While this nickname might not be for everyone, it's perfect for those who enjoy a bit of whimsy and don't mind stepping outside the traditional. If she loves to laugh and embraces the playful side of your relationship, Snugglebug could become her favorite term of endearment. 4. Queen. Queen is a nickname that radiates power, admiration, and respect. It's not just a term of endearment, it's a statement. By calling her Queen, you're telling her that you see her worth, value her strength, and admire her individuality. This nickname goes beyond romance. It's about celebrating her as a person, acknowledging all the qualities that make her unique. When you say, "Good morning, my Queen," you're not just greeting her, you're uplifting her, reminding her that she's someone who deserves to be cherished and celebrated. Queen is especially meaningful in moments when she might need a little confidence boost. Imagine her facing a tough day, and you casually remind her, "You've got this, Queen." Just those few words can empower her and make her feel unstoppable. What makes Queen stand out is its blend of romance and empowerment. It's not overly sentimental, yet it's deeply impactful. It's a way of showing her that you don't just love her, you respect her, admire her, and see her as your equal partner. So, if you want to make her feel like she's on top of the world, start calling her Queen. It's a nickname that carries weight, meaning, and a whole lot of love. 5. Sunshine. Sunshine is the perfect nickname for someone who brightens your world with their positivity and warmth. It's a way of telling her, "You're the light in my life, the one who makes everything better." This nickname works wonders for those who have an infectious energy and a smile that can light up a room. By calling her Sunshine, you're celebrating the joy and happiness she brings into your life. Imagine starting her day with a simple text, "Good morning, Sunshine." It's such a small gesture, but it can completely turn her day around. What's beautiful about Sunshine is that it's light, cheerful, and full of affection. It's not overly dramatic, but it carries a deep sense of appreciation. It's perfect for moments when you want to remind her how much she means to you without saying too much. This nickname is ideal for someone who naturally radiates positivity. If her presence makes you feel like the world is a little brighter, then Sunshine is the perfect way to let her know. 6. Sweetheart. Sweetheart is a classic nickname that has stood the test of time, and for good reason. It's soft, affectionate, and universally heartwarming. What makes Sweetheart so special is its versatility. You can use it in any situation, whether you're being playful, serious, or romantic. Saying something as simple as, "How's my sweetheart today?" instantly creates a warm and intimate connection. This nickname is about more than just the word itself. It's the feeling behind it, a mix of kindness, care, and deep affection. By calling her Sweetheart, you're reminding her that she holds a special place in your heart. Nicknames aren't just words, they're powerful expressions of love, care, and connection. When you choose the right one, it becomes a reflection of your bond, a little reminder of how much you mean to each other. So which nickname resonates with you the most? Or is there one you've already been using that she adores? Share your favorite nicknames and stories in the comments. I'd love to hear how you make your connections more meaningful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on relationships and the little things that make them extraordinary. Until next time, remember, it's often the small gestures, like a thoughtful nickname, that leave the biggest impact. See you in the next video.